For a commercial guttering job, we'll turn up and we'll do an on-site inspection. We can show the client the problems with the guttering via camera. We can record that and send that to them, or they can actually come on the site with us and inspect that, and I'll talk them through the process. We'll then use the Skyvac system and we'll clear the guttering using the extension poles. And the great benefit of that is that we don't have to use cherry pickers. Health and safety wise, it's excellent for the lads because we're not off ladders, and we can do it from the safety of the ground. Commercial properties will quite often find, because of the width and the depth of the gutters, you'll find a lot of sludge and build up, and they've probably not been cleaned for a long time. Customers are quite shocked at what they see or what we remove. So it can be clumps of dirt, earth, grass, loose soil, especially pine needles. This can cause a huge problem with overflow of rainwater, damaging the brickwork down into and that can cause damp issues inside properties. Working from the ground, minimal use of ladders, and it's a lot quicker and more cost effective than using a cherry picker. Where the gutters haven't been cleaned, that water seeps into the brickwork and then causes internal damp issues. It's very hard work. As I say, it's a two-man job, especially when we're doing a commercial building like we've done today at the Albany in Daventry. It's a very, very high building. They couldn't get a cherry picker into the property, so we've had to use the Skyvac. So a two-man job, about 60 feet of poles, getting up to the top of the building. We've come in, done the job at a very cost-effective price. They're going to save money, and they've got the assurance that we've done a professional job because we've got the cameras and they can see exactly what we've done, and we can show them an evidence that we've actually cleared those gutters for them.